Hello and welcome back, guys. We're just going to be wrapping this shell today. It's a Thunder Tiger shell. I've done everything to it that I need doing it, so we can actually wrap it now, make it look nice. Made these little brackets as well. Like, it looks scruffy as shit at the moment, but it's just basically going to go at the back there to hold the car, well, the body onto the car. And I got a front one, just like that. Don't know if you can see it. And that one's going to go in the front like that. I might wrap them, don't know yet, we'll see. See how pain in the ass this is going to be. So let's get right into it. I don't know how long this is going to take. I've wrapped quite a few things before, but nothing like this. It's got like loads of, just fuck my life, that's all it is. Alright, I've got my wrap. I've got this really nice, like a orchard purple, I think that's what it's called, and it's quite good quality as well. It's like 25 quid a metre, so it's not cheap. But it's a mild different compared to like this cheap eBay wraps that you kind of get, so it's a lot better. So I'm just going to cut it up to size, kind of rough size at the moment. So that should feel good. I've cleaned the body already, so this isn't a how-to video, how to wrap your body. I'm just showing you me wrapping it. I'm messing it up probably. So we'll just get this on the edge. Come on. Right. Now, this could go really bad. Oh. God. I'm gonna lay that down there. Put the body in the center first. I think that's the center. I think maybe a little bit more. Oh. Yeah, that should do. I'll flip it back around now and start messing around with it. Wow, that really looks like a pain in the ass. Right, so we've got it all around. It actually looks alright, it looks better than what it did before. There's a few bits about. Yeah, it looks a lot better now that it's cut up and stuff. It is what it is, let's put it that way. So the next bit is some stickers. Also, some of you asked me to wrap these as well, didn't really want to, but screw it, we'll just do it. Start with this one. So that's that. To the right. Right, so we're back with some stickers now. So all we need to do is just put the window stickers in on the side, front, back. I did cut these out myself because I couldn't find any that would fit exactly this. So they are what they are. They're not the best, but they'll do the job. Don't forget the RC body is going to get probably quite messy anyway with flips and stuff, whatever. So we'll just start with the back stickers first. Right. That's the window stickers done. They're not the best, but they'll do the job. Alright. And now we have actually some paradox stickers that we ordered. We ordered from someone on Instagram called cmvinyl.uk. They're really good quality, well, high quality stickers, and the prices are really good as well. I definitely recommend anyone get any stickers from this guy. If you want any, all you need to do is just hit him up on the Instagram DM, and we'll get you back quite fast, and we'll sort the stickers out for you. So we had some orders as well, so we'll just get some sticking on. So, and they arrived fast as well. Right, that's all there is to the stickers. I'm not going to do it anymore. I think that looks perfect now. Well, this video is mainly intended to wrapping the body, but it went okay. I will never ever wrap another fucking RC car body again. Never. I'll just paint it or just get a new one. But I kind of like this one, the Tiger body, and I don't put, reinforced it and everything. And put these brackets on now as well, so actually the body stays in the car instead of just flies off after he starts driving. But yeah, I think in the future I'm just going to buy a new body and just repaint it. Like for our next build, we do have a really nice body for it. It's absolutely fine, the paint's a little bit faded, so I think I'm going to remove it and repaint it. But I'm never ever wrapping one again, so if you're wrapping one, good luck. Don't do it. Listen to my advice. Anyway, until next time.
Here we go.